In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate products to Shopify. If you are trying to bring products from Amazon into your Shopify store, one of the most straightforward ways to do it is by using an integration app that connects your Shopify setup to the marketplaces you want to work with. The goal is to save time and reduce manual work, because you want the products listed and organized without having to copy and paste details one by one. To get started, open your dashboard. On your screen, look for the section where you can manage your apps. This is usually labeled as Apps, or it may appear as an Apps area in your main navigation. Once you are in that area, you will be able to search for the exact integration tool you need. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct dashboard and not inside a settings menu, because the App Store search is typically separate. Next, go to the Apps section inside your dashboard. From there, you will search for Amazon. As you type Amazon into the search field, you should see results appear. When you find the option that matches Shopify Marketplace Connect, click it. This is the app you are looking for, and selecting it will take you to the correct page where you can install and connect everything properly. If you see multiple similar names, focus on the one that explicitly says Shopify Marketplace Connect. Now, click Shopify Marketplace Connect. You might notice that it is also described as formerly Codisto. That is just helpful context, and it means the app you are selecting is the same tool under a previous name. At this point, you should pause briefly and check that you are still on the Shopify Marketplace Connect listing page. Look for the description and overview so you know you selected the right integration before moving forward. Before you proceed, it helps to understand why this app is recommended. Shopify Marketplace Connect is presented as one of the fastest and easiest ways to sell across major global marketplaces. That matters because you are not only trying to add products, you also want a smooth workflow that can handle marketplace requirements without you doing everything manually. When an app is built for marketplace distribution and syncing, it typically streamlines product updates, listings, and catalog management. This means less time troubleshooting and more time promoting your store. As you read through the app description, you may also see that it supports multiple marketplaces, including top global channels like Amazon, Target Plus, Walmart, and eBay. The key point is that this is a single integration app that connects your Shopify store to those marketplaces. Instead of setting up separate tools for each platform, you work with one connection. That is especially helpful if you plan to expand beyond Amazon later, because you will not need to start the process from scratch. Once you confirm that the app listing matches what you want, you can continue with installation and connection steps. However, in this part of the process, your main focus is selecting the correct app from your dashboard. After clicking Shopify Marketplace Connect, you should be ready to move on to the next phase, where you install it and connect it to your store so that your product catalog can be synced. That is why the earlier steps matter. Choosing the correct app ensures that the rest of your setup works as intended. If you select a different app by mistake, the connection flow may not match your goal of adding Amazon affiliate products to Shopify. So make sure you have Shopify Marketplace Connect open and ready to install or configure based on the options shown on your screen. And that covers everything you need to know for now. That is all there is to it.